Hey y'all, here's a quick lesson on Bob Dylan's Like a Rolling Stone. We're going to start out with C and F for the intro. So to slow that strum down, I'm going. Okay, then we get into the verse. C, D minor, E minor, F, G, back to C, D minor, E minor, F, G, F, G, F, G. Now we got a little walk down. F to the C, to the D minor, to the C. Then F to the C, D minor, C, and then F. Hold that up. To the G. Now we're to the chorus. C, F, G, twice as long as those were. C, F, G, and it does this around 5 times. I'm going to do it one more time. In the Jimi Hendrix live version, I'll kind of extend that G and go to a little G7 right there. But here'd be the next verse. C, D minor, E minor, F, then you got that long G. One more time, C, D minor, E minor, F, G. Now we get the long F and long G. So 2 times that long F, G. Now we got that walk down, F to C, D minor to C. Then we got F, long F, long G, back to the chorus. C, F, G. And 5 times that. So here's the 3rd time. Do it one more time. All right, Like a Rolling Stone, Bob Dylan. Thanks a lot. Like and subscribe for more, and let me know what you'd like to hear next. Peace out, Damon Wood. Thanks a lot.